Welcome back. My name is Tom Storey and this is our monthly real estate update video with basically anything and everything that's happening in the Toronto real estate market that I think could be valuable to you. So welcome back to the Storey Report. In this month's episode, we're gonna look over the numbers from October of 2019. Now, just before we jump into the numbers, if you don't already, make sure to follow us on Instagram at the Storey Team or check us out online at storeyteam.ca. We make monthly videos like this and send weekly tips out to all of our clients. So if you want to get on our list, just let us know, reach out directly. So we'll start off by looking at the sales numbers in the 416 area code in Toronto, and we'll look at the freehold market. So in Freehold Properties right now, it's been a bit weird over the past 2 years. They were really high in the peak of 17, then the stress test, the foreign buyer tax, all the rate hikes all happened, and the detached properties kind of came down. Well, they're starting to gain steam again. So in October of 2019, in the 416 area code, your average detached property sold over $1.3 million, which was up about a percentage from last year. And your semi-detached properties were selling at $1.1 million. So the freehold segment of the market is really starting to pick up again. And I think the reason why is that condos and townhomes have gone up so much in the past 2 years that they're creeping and that price gap is getting smaller. Now, when we look at townhouses, year over year, they were up about 3.5%, and your average sale price was just under $800,000. And then we look at the condos, and something that I found really interesting when I was looking at the numbers is that more than 50% of all the sales that happen between $400,000 and $800,000. So that portion of the market is where most of the activity is happening. So condos were up 9%, and the average price was $662,000. The reason why we're seeing price growth in every asset class at the end of 2019 is if you look at the numbers, new listings were actually down 19% year over year, so 20% less to choose from, and active listings, ones currently on the market now, were down 9%. So when there's less inventory and a lot of people are trying to buy the same product, that's when prices start pushing up again. So imagine if you're trying to buy in that $400,000 to $800,000 range, where 50% of the market's trying to buy and there's not a whole lot to choose from. That's why we're seeing prices get almost to double digit, where condos are up 9% from at the same point last year. Now, when I talk about the stats every single month, this is kind of generic to what's happening in the entire market. But if you want to know what's happening in your specific area, I want to show you how. So basically what you do is you go to Google, you type Treb Market Watch. Once you're in Google and you go to Treb Market Watch, you click to the bottom and you click See Full Report, and you can go down to your area and look at a few different categories. They'll tell you the average sale to list price, how many days on market, how many active listings, how many sold, all the information that I'd want to know if I was a buyer or seller in the Toronto real estate market. If you want to see any of the other videos we've done or any of the Toronto media that we've been a part of, make sure to check out storeyteam.ca for everything real estate related you could ever think of. Thank you so much for watching and supporting these videos. We've done this for almost 4 years now, every single month, which is crazy to think. If you have any questions about anything, please comment it below. Have an awesome day. We'll talk soon, and remember, home is where your story begins.